Hello my beautiful friends, my name is Christina Marie, and if you are new to my channel, I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, we do have a live giveaway right now, and I will leave the link for that in the description box down below. If you are new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription bag. They also can, you can upgrade that. So for the $10 one, you get 5 sample deluxe size. Sometimes they'll throw in a full size, but for the $21 a month, it's all full size products. And I did just hear for you guys, if you're like me and are only getting the Glam Bag for right now, if you want to get that Glam Bag Plus that I just talked about, there was a waiting list. I was on it. I did receive an email saying that congratulations, I'm no longer on the waiting list, and that next month I'll get the Glam Bag Plus. And I heard that's the case for everybody, so they've wiped out their entire waiting list. So as of right now, everybody can get on to that Glam Bag Plus. So go check it out if you're interested. So every month the products come in a cute little makeup bag. It differs each month what the theme of this one of your bag is. This time it's lemons, and it's super cute. Here's kind of the inside. And then there's always a card that comes with it as well that talks a little bit about the products. Basically says new in spring, fresh spring beauty, and then talks about each of the products. So the first item wouldn't even fit in the bag. It is the FIRMA 103 angled brush. Kind of looks like this. Let me get this out here. I think this is going to be great for contouring. And a couple months ago, we did also receive from FIRMA the 102 brush. And I have been using the heck out of this. I use it for my bronzing, and I absolutely love this. So I think I'm gonna really like this. So this does retail for $14.99, and it's the FIRMA Beauty's mission to keep the products out of landfills by using sustainable materials only. And we're here for it. The contour brush is angled to trace the curves of your face for streak-free application, and the soft synthetic bristles hold powder without any spillage. Your tip is to find your contour, follow the hollow, suck in your cheeks, then lightly sweep bronzer or contour in the hollows. And you only want to go, you suck it in, you only want to go to about here. Don't bring it all the way down, ladies. Just bring it like 1 inch or 2 inches. I basically bring it down to where my eye starts. Here we have a product by NOMAD Cosmetics. This is from the Antilles line. It is Eyeshadow Champagne Reef. Full size of this retails for $12. Let's just open it up here. Ooh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Here is what this looks like. It's kind of I would say it's more on the orange gold side instead of like I think of a real champagne, almost like being more on the pink side. This is definitely more on that peachy gold shade. And it says NOMAD products draw from the beauty of the far-flung destinations inspired by Champagne Reef, Dominican Republic. This finely pigmented blendable golden eyeshadow is made with hemp seed oil to nourish and hydrate sensitive skin on your lids. Tip: use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Blend your shadow onto your lids and up to your brow bone. Pop it in the inner corners of your eye or on the center of your lids for an all-over neutral shadow. So let's swatch that here really quick. So here's what it looks like on the finger. How pretty, you guys. And this is gorgeous. It's coming off yellow, but it's not. I don't know why this light is throwing the yellow sheen, but you can see here it's more of a gold tone, and this is the color that it looks on the hand too. I wish it wouldn't show yellow in the viewfinder. There we go. Maybe that's more of a little more of the gold. Here is the Delectable Body Butter Cream Triple Citrus Blend. Here's what this looks like. The full size of this does retail for $15, and when it comes to body moisturizers that smell delicious, this brand hits the sweet spot. This airy formula is infused with shea butter to nourish and repair dry skin, antioxidants packed, grapefruit, tangerine, and orange extracts. Invigorate your senses and love your skin and leave your skin glowing. Tip massage on damp skin in a circular motion, concentrating on the dry areas like knees and elbows. So let's just open this up, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here. I wish you guys could, I wish there was smell-o-vision, because I love citrus scents, and this just smells, I get a tangerine, and I almost smell like a lemongrass, and I don't think it said lemongrass in there, but that's kind of, it's a scent that I kind of smell, and it just looks like this once it's all wrapped in, versus, you know, this one that's totally dry. I will say that I've noticed so far that all of their products are from cruelty-free brands that I am loving. Here's another one. It is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Best Tape Hydrating Primer. Looks like this. This full size of this does retail for $30, and it's their brand new primer. I was gonna say I haven't heard of it before. It is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours with coconut to smooth your skin. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And that's all of Tarte's Fab formulas. As of all of Tarte's Fab formulas, this one is cruelty-free. And it says, for tip for after cleansing, smooth all over your face before applying foundation. I'm always in the looking out for new primers. I cannot wait to try this guy out. Ooh, and last but not least, another cruelty-free brand. It is by Pretty Women. It is their nail polish in Berry Wild. Full size of this retails for $7.99, and here's what it looks like. Ooh, I love this color. It's kind of like a deep berry tone. And what this one says, this brand's known for fashion-forward colors and high-quality formulas since 2000, and the berry plum polish is so chic we can wear it everywhere. Not only does it flatter all skin tones, it's fast-drying, long-lasting, chip-resistant, and cruelty-free. Tip, apply Berry Wild in three strokes, starting with the left, right, and then center. Pull your brush across the tip of your nail. Use a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to clean up any stray marks. That's interesting that they say to do the two outsides and then the center. I kind of do mine in reverse. Well, I'll do the center and then the two outsides. But this is really pretty. So if I add up the full-size products, which were the nail polish and the brush, that retails for $22.98. Plus you add on to that your samples of the eyeshadow, your the Tarte primer, and then the lotion from DELECTABLE. You know, you're really getting your money's worth with this bag. I cannot wait to see what next month brings in my first plus bag. I am super excited for that. Which of your products were your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if you got off that waiting list too. So I would say my favorites are gonna be the Tarte and probably the FIRMA Beauty, because I really liked using their other brush. So I'm super excited for those. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.